looking really good. Excellent job out on that bike course. Make sure you wrap your bike before you take your helmet off. Looking really good.
Come on, Holly! Up here, up here!
You're going to exit through this bridge.
Up here, over here.
Plenty of water for you if you want to get a quick sip.
Good ride.
And you got a gorgeous beach run out there. Good job. Looking good. Beach cruiser with an Aero helmet. Yeah, looking good. All right, heading out on the beach over the bridge. Looking good. Trixie, what are you doing? No, keep going. You're doing good. You're doing this super sprint. You're probably racing them on too, aren't you?
Good ride, babe. Go, go, go.
All right, folks. Looking good, ladies. Looking good. Looking good.